If you want to just slightly warm up your body, you can always begin with some pranayamas that can help gently increase your core temperature. So let's begin with the Ujjayi Pranayama. Ujjayi Pranayama is nothing but you're breathing in through the nose with the throat gently squeezed. So the air that enters through the nose, through the throat is causing a friction, and that friction creates a heat that slightly raises the body temperature. So to practice this Ujjayi, there are three methods. The first method is we inhale through the nose. With the mouth open, exhale. With the throat gently squeezed, mouth open, and you exhale through the mouth. Let's go. Breathe in. Breathe in. You're creating the sound of the ocean, right? As you exhale, you're gently squeezing the throat. Exhale out longer through the mouth. 2 more times. Inhale. Inhale. Okay. The second variation to Ujjayi breathing pranayama is we are inhaling through the nose. We are still going to exhale with the mouth open for one part of the breath, and then quickly close the mouth, continue to exhale through the nostrils for the other half of the breath. You watch me once. I inhale through the nose. So during the exhalation, the first half I keep my mouth open, the second half I keep my mouth closed, but the exhalation is still happening. The throat is still keeping that squeeze. Ready? Do this 5 times. Inhale through the nose. Mouth open and exhale. Mouth closed and continue to exhale. Inhale through the nose. Mouth open and exhale. Mouth closed to continue to exhale. Inhale. Inhale. Ready. Last one. Inhale. Okay. Now let's try and do the actual final stage of Ujjayi breathing. With the throat gently squeezed, you inhale with the friction causing the same sound as you inhale longer, and as you exhale also keep your mouth closed and continue to exhale through the nose, but still keeping the throat gently squeezed. Try that. You slowly squeeze the throat. Inhale. Keep the throat squeezed. Exhale. The mouth remains closed for this one. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. So as you are inhaling, the throat still remains squeezed, causing that friction, the hissing sound. Exhale. Still the throat remains squeezed. Exhale longer with that same hissing sound. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Great. Now there are many breathing techniques. You can do this as a preparation, warm-up sequence. Mostly we are doing bodily movements, which is sometimes referred as Pavana Muktasanas. But breathing plays an important role in keeping your body temperature average as you do the asana practice. It also improves body awareness. It helps release reflex tension in the body. you are more accustomed to normal breaths as you do the most advanced postures, right? Keeping the breath long and steady helps you to stay in the pose and work on the pose, right? So you don't feel agitated, the reflex tension will not kick in. Okay, let's proceed with the warm-up, the posture warm-ups. Your legs apart.